Class 3rd, welcome to the Indian Revolutionary School. I am Shraddha ma'am and today we will do the exercises of chapter 3. Are you ready, Freddy? सबसे पहले आपको अपनी कॉपी में डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स लिखने हैं स्टूडेंट्स. वेडिंग, अवेयर, ट्रम्पेट, एक्स्ट्रा, प्रैक्टिस, स्कोल्डेड, ग्रॉन, अराइव्ड, माइंडर, 100. तो ये आपके डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं जो आपके बुक में दिए गए हैं. इसके बाद आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग वर्ड्स आते हैं जो आपको अपनी कॉपी में लिखना है. तो यहाँ पे वर्ड दिया गया है और इसकी मीनिंग दी गई है. बैंड, अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु प्ले म्यूजिक टुगेदर. ग्रॉन, मेक अ कंप्लेनिंग नॉइज. माइंडर, someone who controls what another person says or does. Go to a lot of trouble, do many things to help. इसके बाद में आपकी एक्सरसाइज ए आ जाती है. टेक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. तो यहाँ पे एक सेंटेंस दिया गया है, उसको पूरा करने के लिए नीचे कुछ ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं. उसमें से जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है उस पर आपको टिक लगाना है. When Freddy said nearly ready, he meant A. He will be there in an hour. B. He is running down the stairs right now. C. He just have to put his socks on. And the correct option is A. He will be there in an hour. Second sentence. Only one person was able to make Freddy get ready on time. That was A. Bobby, B. Freddy's parents, C. Uncle Albert. And the correct option is C. Uncle Albert. Third, when Uncle Albert said do nothing, he meant A. Just sit and wait for Freddy. B. Don't tell him not to be late. C. Don't come early and wait for him. So the correct option is C. Don't come early and wait for him. Fourth sentence. Uncle Albert said Freddy would learn something important because A. No one would help him. B. He would understand the people tried hard to help him. C. He would have to get up on his own. And the correct option is B. He would understand that people tried hard to help him. Fifth, the teacher scolded Freddy because A. He did not finish his homework. B. He did not pay attention in the class. C. He was late for school again. And the correct option is C. He was late for school again. After this exercise B, write true or false. So children, जो भी इसमें सेंटेंस दिया गया है, जो सही होगा उसके आगे आपको ट्रू लिखना है और जो गलत होगा उसके आगे आपको फॉल्स लिखना है. फर्स्ट, फ्रेडी वॉज ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम. दिस इज फॉल्स. सेकेंड, फ्रेडी प्लेड टैम्बोराइन. दिस इज फॉल्स. थर्ड, हिज पेरेंट्स टॉट हिम अ लेसन. दिस इज फॉल्स. फोर्थ, he played solo on Mrs. Fernandez her dead birthday. This is false. Fifth, he was late for band practice for many more weeks. This is true. After this exercise C, answer the following question and you have to do this exercise in your copy. Exercise C, answer the following questions. Question 1, who was Freddy? And the answer is Freddy was a perfect member of the band. Question 2, what did Freddy's mother do to help him get ready on time? Answer is Freddy's mother stand with him until he had brushed his teeth and combed his hair. Question number 3, what advice did Uncle Albert give Bobby? Answer, Uncle Albert advised Bobby to do nothing for a day or two. Question 4, what happened when Freddy was late for school? Answer, His teacher scolded and gave him extra work to do. So students, this exercise is also complete. इसके बाद में आपका ये vocabulary part आता है. Read the sentence. Freddie played the trumpet beautifully. तो trumpet क्या होता है? Trumpet is a low wind blowing instrument used by musician of various band और orchestra. एक म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जिसमें जो ज़्यादातर म्यूजिशियन इसको बैंड में या ऑर्केस्ट्रा में यूज़ करते हैं. इसके बाद एक और पज़ल है आपकी. सॉल्व द गिवन पज़ल. सम इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर हिडन इनसाइड. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया है, यहाँ पे इसमें ये वर्ड सही फॉर्म में नहीं लिखे हुए हैं, लेकिन इसको सही फॉर्म में लिख के हमें क्या करना है, एक म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को लिखना है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, गिटार, पियानो, तबला, सितार, ट्रम्पेट, tambourine, violin and drum. So students, all the exercises of this chapter has completed. We will read the next chapter in the next video. Okay, thanks a lot for listening.